Hey guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to make an image using Tome AI. Are you tired of spending hours creating an image? Well, let's dive into the fascinating image creation tool that will ignite your imagination and let your artistic flair soar. So, what are you waiting for? Buckle up and let's unlock the secrets of Tome AI together. So to start with, let us go to Tome AI app, or website. Just tap tome.app. So when you're in the website Tome, then do not forget to log in your account. And so since we are done in logging in, we can now proceed to our purpose in this video. Alright, so by the way guys, over here there is a 3-line dot here. Just tap that and click this desktop side to easily access the Tome AI. Alright, so now since it is now in the desktop side, let us now proceed to image creation. Alright, so as you can see guys, there is a pink button here over here. Just tap that. Tap create. And over here guys, as you can see, there are a lot of options here. And so, since we are going to create an image, tap this create image. Alright, so as you can see, there is no photo over here. So all you need to do guys is we can now start writing our prompt here so that Tome can give us the image that we want. Of course, take note, when you are going to write a prompt, then you have to be more specific. Alright, so let's say for example, I want an eagle. So I will going to write here a 3D eagle bird, flying in the clear blue sky. Alright, above the village. So I want Tome to create an image for me, a 3D eagle bird flying in the clear blue sky. Let's put here in the blue sky above the village. So after that one, you can now tap this word generate, and let's wait for a moment so that Tome can give us the result that we want. Alright, so there you go guys. As you can see, Tome gave us a 3D eagle bird. So as you can see, wow, it is beautiful. In an instant, we have now already an image. Alright, so there we go. This is on how to make an image in Tome AI. So, if you want to know on how to make an image using Tome AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to make an image using Tome AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!